Day 71. Never thought I'd have to say that, and absolutely gutted to be saying that as well. I've said a few times on these blogs I think that this is my worst day, and this really is my worst day. We've got family and friends all waiting in Mauritius now. Everyone's being really patient, but you know, the matter of fact is they didn't come here really for a holiday, they came here to see us, and just wasting time. The forecast is, I'm not allowed to swear am I, in case it goes on BBC or something. The forecast is bollocks, and we've spent the last 2 days just going nowhere. We're going to spend today and tomorrow going nowhere. We're only 130 miles away from Mauritius, and we just can't seem to get onto Mauritius. Personally, I'm finished. My arse is in pieces. I've just got shitloads of boils growing into my arse. Just so painful, and my claw hand I've now had for 9 weeks. You know, I can't even close my hand more than that. That's what wraps around the oar. So I'm pulling like an absolute pussy, and I'm letting the other guys down, and that absolutely guts me. It's really hard. So we've just swapped pairs again. I can see Wellesley getting frustrated with me because I can't row particularly hard. Kylie will do the same now. It's just really tough being the fucking retard of the boat. And I just had enough. I'll do anything to get there now. We've got 4 more days. I don't have any painkiller. Well, I've got paracetamol. Wellesley and Kylie have got some stronger Voltarol. Ed seems to be pretty tough. He can go without the Voltarol. I'm going to see if I can get hold of some suppositories. I'm happy to stick some up my ass if it'll make me row faster. But I'm trying to grit it out. I don't know. I can't pull hard. If I pull hard, I let go of the oar because I can't grip the thing. To use my legs more, I have to roll more on my ass, which is just more excruciating. So at the moment I'm just using my back. So when I lie down, that's agony. And then my arms and my hand and my grip loosens up, but I shouldn't complain so much. Don't complain. Don't complain. Well, if we could flip and get there, then I wouldn't have to complain. Grant doesn't make it any easier, I tell you. We get back on the oars in 20 minutes. Right, up we go.